This method can help improve the experimental rigor in the soil sampling procedure, such as the sample size required for soil sampling and associated accuracy. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a quantitative way to sample soils and a tool to balance the research needs and resource availability.
The implications of this technique extend towards research plots of various shapes, areas, and locations because the statistical power analysis method remains the same.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Siyang Jian, a graduate student from my laboratory.
Identify sampling zones within a research plot. Then, determine the number of square grids with equal length. Based on the size and shape of the research plot, the target number of square grids is expected to be between 6 and 10, so that the total number of soil samples is controlled below 30 within a plot. Mark the center of each square grid, or centroid, and create a circular sampling area with a diameter equal to the side length of the square grid. Stand on the centroid in the circular zone with closed eyes, and throw a small stone in a random direction and distance from the centroid. If the stone is dropped outside of the circular area, do it again until the first sampling location is identified. Put a flag on the sampling location and number the flag. Repeat this step until 3 random sampling locations are obtained in the circular zone. Then, repeat these steps in all other circular sampling zones until all locations